Transform your ad game with adgenius-ai, the ultimate AI-powered ad creative toolkit. Are you tired of spending hours crafting ads that don't convert? Struggling to keep up with the fast-paced world of social media marketing? Say hello to adgenius-ai, the game-changing tool that lets you create high-converting Facebook and social media ads in just 30 seconds. Whether you're launching your own one-person ad agency or supercharging your existing campaigns, adgenius-ai gives you the edge with AI-powered image generation and proven copywriting frameworks. Let's dive in. Why adgenius-ai is a must-have for marketers and entrepreneurs. Imagine having a professional ad designer and copywriter at your fingertips 24/7. That's exactly what adgenius-ai delivers. This powerful toolkit combines cutting-edge AI image generation with battle-tested ad templates, so you can create scroll-stopping creatives without any design or writing skills. No more guesswork, just high-quality, conversion-focused ads that drive clicks, leads, and sales. Plus, with unlimited ad generation, you'll never run out of fresh, engaging content for your campaigns. How adgenius-ai saves you time and boosts your ROI. Time is money, and adgenius-ai helps you save both. Instead of wasting hours brainstorming ideas or hiring expensive freelancers, you can generate dozens of ad variations in minutes. Simply input your product or service and let the AI do the heavy lifting. From eye-catching visuals to persuasive, high-converting copy, the built-in proven frameworks ensure your ads follow the same strategies used by top marketers, so you get better results with less effort. Who can benefit from adgenius-ai? This tool is perfect for solopreneurs, marketers, agencies, and e-commerce sellers who want to scale their ad performance effortlessly. If you're running Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads, adgenius-ai will help you beat ad fatigue, increase engagement, and lower your cost per lead. And if you've ever dreamed of starting your own ad agency, this toolkit gives you everything you need to offer high-ticket ad services without any prior experience. Don't miss out, get adgenius-ai today. The best part? Right now, you can grab adgenius-ai at an exclusive discount with bonuses that make it an unbeatable deal. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Click the link below to unlock instant access and start creating profit-pulling ads in seconds. Your competitors won't know what hit them. Get adgenius-ai now and dominate your ad campaigns like never before. Thanks for watching my adgenius-ai review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tools to enhance your marketing efforts. With adgenius-ai, the time for you to shine is now. Catch you in the next video.